So, here we are. You and me. Face to face. Mr. Thief, care to explain why you thought it was a good idea to stuff your pockets with gummy bears? Oh, come on, officer. They were just sitting there on the shelf, calling my name. Take us, they said. I couldn't let them down. Right. And I suppose the chocolate bars begged to come along too? Exactly. I mean, who can resist a good chocolate bar? Clearly, you can't. But let me ask you something. Do you think it's okay to take things that aren't yours? Well, no, but it's just candy. Not like I robbed a bank or anything. Oh, I see. So, stealing is okay as long as it's small stuff. When you put it like that, it doesn't sound so great. Let me explain it to you, buddy. That candy shop? It's owned by a hardworking family. Every gummy bear, every chocolate bar, those are things they bought to sell. When you take them without paying, it's like telling them their hard work doesn't matter. I didn't think about it that way. And here's the thing, you like sweets, right? Of course. Then wouldn't it be sweeter to enjoy them knowing you earned them? Yeah, you're right. Sneaking around wasn't as fun as I thought. Especially not after getting caught. You're not exactly the stealthiest guy out there. That alarm went off so loud, I thought the fire department would show up. Yeah, okay, I might need to work on my quiet skills. Or better yet, not steal at all. Now you're talking sense. So, here's the deal. You'll return the candy, apologize to the shop owner, and help them clean the store for a week. A whole week? Consider it your first honest job. You might even get paid if you're lucky. Okay, deal. No more sneaky stuff. Honest work from now on.